here you are.
So, here I am.
This spring rain makes my heart swell. The beauty of it is almost too intense, unbearable. Because the droplets of rain on my metal remind me of your laugh.
I am back now.
You are, yes. But I am gone.
Yet I see you standing in front of me.
I'm so sorry, but what you see is only my armor. Inside, I have dissolved into the memories of what we once shared. You came back, yes, but you missed me.
In that case, I command you to return to me.
I wish I could, but I won't be able to do what you ask. You have to understand, in your absence, I have forever vanished into the emptiness of not having you next to me, and into the sound of the rain on my metal.